Okay, quick video of Flawless's kittens. This is Vatani, yellow collar girl. Vatani. Hey, Vatani. Vatani. Really clear coated. So pretty. Vatani. Okay, and then Zeus is playing in my lap. Zeus is under observation for my program. This is Zeus. He's the biggest one in the litter. Really big boy. Bold pattern. Crazy personality. And then we have, come here, let me see this guy. Let me see this guy. This is Diesel. Blue collar boy, Diesel. He's a cooler brown boy, darker brown boy. Big, bold, inky jet rosettes. He's a very big boy, too. Now, Timmy. Really cute face. Oh, this is good. And this is, yes, they're really good friends. They play together a lot. Hello. Okay, this is orange collar boy Toby. This is Toby. It's really, really cute. He has a really nice pattern as well. All these kittens out of Flawless's litter. Come here. Come here. Let me see everybody. Show everybody your pattern. Other side. That's Toby. I think that's everybody. So we have Vatani, yellow collar girl. Toby, orange collar boy. And then we have Diesel, blue collar boy. Okay, bye.